Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay February 16, 2026 Monday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong February 16, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Monday, February 16, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for February 16, 2026, Monday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, February 16, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of February 16, 2026, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.